is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Please drag your bodies away from the walls. You guys have
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. 99 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. It approaches to take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural. Take your loved ones by the hand, please. And kindly watch your step. Side and watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bells.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake. and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of it.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment. We have been unavoidably detained by crafty spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
To fill our corner, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.